Hi everyone, welcome to week 10 of your Advanced Computers 3 course. This week you do not have any new material to cover. Instead, this is your final exam week, so you're going to be preparing for your final exam by reviewing everything since your midterm exam. So reviewing chapters 3 and 4 on PowerPoint. So that's the first thing you're going to want to do is to start preparing for that. Now, you may have noticed also that this particular week opened up for you on Thursday in week 9. That is so that you have a full week to complete everything. The week 10 material as well as everything else will close on Thursday of your final week. That is so that I can turn in my grades by Friday. So it's very important that you complete everything by Thursday, including the final exam. So make sure that you are preparing, studying those two chapters and getting ready for that final exam. In addition, you will be completing an assignment this week that's a little bit different. So in the previous weeks, you've been doing some of the end of the chapter work on your own, but you haven't been turning any particular files in. But this week you will. This week you're going to go to the Beyond the Classroom section at the end of chapter 4, and you're going to be completing one of those activities, and I've indicated which one in the assignment. And I've included all the files that you need, so you'll be clicking on those files and doing directions, basically following the directions, creating the photo album that they ask for, and turning in the different documents that they are asking you to prepare in that particular assignment. So it's kind of a culmination of everything you learned in the last several weeks. And so you're just going to turn that in instead of a Word doc with answers to questions and things like that. So it's just to show me that you've kind of been doing what you were supposed to be doing all these previous weeks, and that you understand how to do some of these things. So make sure that you complete that, and then also make sure that you complete the discussion and the final exam. Now, the other thing that I want to encourage you to do is to make sure that you go to this section on your screen and click on grades. Once you click on grades, it's going to show you everything that you have to date. Now, this is a test student, so that's why it shows that everything is missing. However, for you, you should have a score for everything. If something is missing, obviously you want to turn that in. However, if there is a score of 0, that also could indicate either it's missing or there is a problem with it. So go to that item, look at it, see if I maybe asked you to redo something, or see if maybe you didn't turn it in and you got a 0 because you didn't turn it in. And if that's the case, go back and redo it. Now's the time to get those things in and get those things completed, so that you can earn the highest score possible in the course. Now, the one thing you will notice is that you cannot get into the discussions. Those close as soon as the week ends, so you're not going to be able to complete any discussion posts. However, you will be able to complete any quiz or assignment going all the way back to the beginning of the course. If you missed it or forgot to turn it in or something like that, it is still out there and available for you to do. So make sure you take the opportunity to do that before the course ends. Again, I have to have all of my grades in on Friday, so that means I need everything from you by the end of the day on Thursday. Now, if you're not going to be able to meet that deadline, if you need a little bit more time, if there's some sort of issue or problem, please make sure that you reach out to me beforehand so that we can discuss ways to do that. Again, it's very important that you prepare ahead and that you're not scrambling at the last minute. If you send me an email or a text message at 11 o'clock on Thursday night, you're not going to get an answer, I guarantee it. So make sure that you are reaching out to me beforehand. Don't wait until the last minute to complete these things, or we're not going to be able to solve any problems or issues that might come up. So as you go through and you're looking through everything, if you reach out to me. If you have problems, questions, just aren't sure, let me know. That's what I'm here for. I hope you have a great week, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.